Amadeo Giannini was an Italian-American banker and the founder of Bank of America, which eventually became one of the largest banks in the United States. He was born on May 6, 1870 in San Jose, California, and he died on June 3, 1949. Giannini founded the Bank of Italy in San Francisco in 1904, with the goal of providing banking services to immigrants and small businesses that were often denied access to financial services by the established banks of that time. Meet Amadeo Giannini, the pioneering Italian-American banker who transformed the financial landscape of America. Through his vision, he not only built a banking empire, but also championed inclusivity, leaving an enduring legacy that continues to inspire generations of entrepreneurs and leaders worldwide. Giannini started by offering loans to people based on their character and collateral, rather than their social or economic status, which was a revolutionary approach at that time. Giannini's bank played a significant role in helping the city of San Francisco recover after the devastating earthquake and fire of 1906 by providing loans to rebuild the city. Over the years, his bank expanded and merged with other institutions, eventually becoming Bank of America. Giannini also played a key role in the development of the modern banking system, including the introduction of branch banking and services such as home mortgages and consumer loans. Giannini's approach to banking, focusing on customer service and accessibility, revolutionized the industry and set the foundation for modern retail banking. His philosophy of providing banking services to everyone, regardless of their social or economic background, helped to democratize banking and made it more inclusive for ordinary people. The bank was based in a converted saloon as an institution for a little fellow. It was a new bank for the hard-working immigrants other banks would not serve. Deposits on that first day totaled $8,780. Within a year, deposits soared above $700,000. Immediately after the earthquake, but before the approaching fire burned the city, he moved the vault's money to his home outside the fire zone in then-rural San Mateo, 18 miles or 29 kilometers away. A garbage wagon was used to haul the money, hidden beneath garbage. The fires had heated the vaults of other big banks so that the sudden temperature change from opening them risked destroying the contents. Many vaults were kept closed for weeks. During this period, Giannini was one of the few bankers who could satisfy withdrawal requests and provide loans, operating from a plank across two barrels in the street. Years later, he would recount that every loan was repaid. As a reward to the garbage man whose wagon transported the bank's assets, Giannini gave the man's son his first job when he turned 14. Branch banking was introduced by Giannini shortly after 1909 legislation that allowed branch banking in California. Before we move on, support us by hitting subscribe and the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Now, let's get back to our topic. Its first branch outside San Francisco was established in 1909 in San Jose. By 1916, Giannini had expanded and opened several other branches. Giannini believed in branch banking as a way to stabilize banks during difficult times, as well as expand the capital base. He bought banks throughout California, and eventually Bank of Italy had hundreds of branches throughout the state. Under Giannini's leadership, Bank of America continued to innovate and expand. During the Great Depression, the bank played a crucial role in stabilizing the financial system by providing loans to struggling businesses and individuals. Giannini's bank was also instrumental in supporting the American war effort during World War II by financing the construction of ships and other essential infrastructure. Giannini's legacy extends beyond the banking industry. His philanthropic efforts were notable, and he donated significant sums to various causes, including education and healthcare. He established the Giannini Foundation of Agricultural Economics, which continues to support research and education in agricultural economics and related fields. After Giannini's death in 1949, his influence on the banking industry endured. Today, Amadeo Giannini is remembered as a visionary entrepreneur and banking pioneer who transformed the way banking services are delivered. His legacy serves as an inspiration for aspiring entrepreneurs and continues to impact the banking industry's practices and standards. Giannini's legacy also influenced the development of modern banking regulations and policies. The principles he established, such as providing loans based on character and potential rather than just financial history, have been integrated into the ethos of many contemporary banking institutions. Furthermore, Giannini's emphasis on community development and support left a lasting impact on philanthropy within the business world. Many companies today follow his example by actively engaging in charitable activities and supporting social causes. Giannini's story is often cited as a quintessential American success tale, a son of Italian immigrants who, through innovation, hard work, and a deep understanding of community needs, built an empire that not only thrived financially, but also contributed significantly to the growth of the American economy. In essence, Amadeo Giannini's enduring legacy lies not only in the vast financial institution he founded, but also in the principles of inclusivity, innovation, and social responsibility that he championed. Moreover, Giannini's legacy underscores the significance of fostering a sense of community within the business environment. This community-centric approach remains a fundamental aspect of successful business today, emphasizing the importance of building strong relationships with customers and understanding the intricacies of local markets. His legacy has influenced microfinance institutions and initiatives focused on providing financial services to underserved and marginalized communities, ensuring that they have access to the resources needed to improve their lives and build sustainable futures. Giannini had long been a Republican, but with the collapse of the Republican Party in the Great Depression, he concerned himself with Democratic state politics. In the 1934 California gubernatorial election, Giannini worked hard to block left-wing novelist Upton Sinclair from winning the primary for the Democratic nomination. He failed, and with support from the White House, he endorsed and helped finance the Republican candidate, incumbent Frank Merriam, who did defeat Sinclair. In a broader sense, Giannini's story represents the embodiment of the American dream. Giannini's emphasis on inclusivity and community support has influenced the evolution of corporate social responsibility, or CSR, in the modern business landscape. Many corporations now recognize the importance of giving back to society, supporting education, healthcare, and community development projects. Giannini's legacy serves as a testament to the idea that businesses can thrive while simultaneously contributing to the betterment of society. Furthermore, his legacy resonates deeply in the realm of financial technology, or fintech, and digital banking. The principles of accessibility and customer-focused services that Giannini championed are fundamental in the design of user-friendly digital banking platforms and mobile financial services. Giannini helped nurture the motion picture and wine industries in California. He loaned Walt Disney the funds to produce Snow White, the first full-length animated motion picture to be made in the US. During the Great Depression, he bought the bonds that financed the construction of the Golden Gate Bridge. After the war, he visited Italy and arranged for loans to help rebuild the war-torn Fiat factories. Giannini also provided capital to William Hewlett and David Packard to help form Hewlett-Packard. In the age of online banking, his vision of making financial services convenient and accessible to all has found new expressions, reaching even the most remote corners of the globe. Giannini's life story also continues to inspire discussions on diversity and inclusion in the workplace. As an Italian-American immigrant, he faced challenges and prejudices, yet he persevered and built an empire that transcended cultural boundaries. In essence, Amadeo Giannini's legacy is a tapestry of innovation, inclusivity, and social responsibility that continues to shape the modern business landscape. As the business world evolves, Giannini's enduring legacy stands as a reminder that success is not just measured in profits, but in the positive change a business can affect in the lives as a whole. As a first-generation Italian-American, his achievements highlight the enriching influence of diverse cultural backgrounds on innovation and entrepreneurship. His legacy fosters an environment of acceptance and appreciation for the unique perspectives that immigrants bring, promoting a more inclusive society. As we conclude, Amadeo Giannini's legacy stands as a testament to the transformative power of vision and compassion in the world of finance. His story inspires us to create a future where inclusivity, innovation, and social impact drive our endeavors, shaping a better tomorrow for all.